Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How do we add up row and column? I'm going to show you. Here we have a list. We have rows and we have columns. So if we have a parameter, row 2, column 2, how do we sum up that information? F9, hit F9. So the question is, sum up row 1 with column 5. We're going across, we're going row 1, column 5. Looks like we're adding 82 and 148. That is not right. Sum C5 by row and column position. We're going to sum C5, looking for row and column. We're looking at row 2, column 5. So we're adding 123 to 54. Pretty nifty, isn't it? Let me show you how it works. We're going to use the sum function. Take a look. Use the index function. You can define a list based on the value. We're using the sum to find sum index 591, J4, J5. You remember in the previous example I said, tear apart the functions. See what you can do with them. Well, the index function, you can go about and it's defined as an array, a row number, a column number. All we're looking for is index sum 591. Hey, index, take a look at this entire row. Show me J4, J5. If we get rid of this sum and just do this, it should show the 54. Index, sum, this entire deal, row 1, column 2. Row 1, column 2. Array, F9. Row number, F9. Column number, F9. Row number, I just can't see very well. So row 1, column 2. Row 4, column 4. Row 4, why does it say 145? Row 4, F9. Row 5, 145. Did I screw up here? Oh, I screwed up big time. Escape, escape. You know what I told you? If you don't clear your F9s, it's going to create all kinds of problems. Well, there you go. F9, row 2, go to 2, column 4. Hit F9, row 4, column 4. Row 4, go down 4, column 4. Then, if we back out again, what are we doing? We're saying sum C5, right here, 106, plus whatever indexed it is. And in this case, it's 2, 2. 2, 2. Add 106 to 107 should be 213. Isn't that magical? Pretty cool, huh? Average. We're going to do the exact same thing. C5, index sum, J4, J5. I'll take 213 divided by 2. Standard deviation. We're not going to get into standard deviation because it's only 2 numbers and it's 1. But you can play around with this. Pretty nifty when you start adding various functions into nests. Here, sum index. The sum simply adds numbers together. Index returns a value based on its column. Then we just add the 2 together. Average does the exact same thing, just changing the opening or the first argument. Read this over here. This is kind of, oh, I don't know. It's a quasi okay read, but it's better to go in and do exactly what I just did. Keep hitting F9, do this F9 deal, and then match it to the anatomy. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.